Fishing is very exciting. It's fun to be on the water. Trying to outsmart a fish brings joy, and nothing beats the feeling of reeling one in. But sometimes a fishing rod isn't enough. For bigger catches, you need a net. Netting fish from a boat is a skill. It takes practice, but once you master it, you'll be amazed. You'll be able to catch fish you only dreamed of before. Before you start, you need the right gear. A strong net is essential. Choose one with a sturdy handle. Make sure the net is big enough for the fish you want to catch. A pair of waterproof gloves will protect your hands. A life jacket is crucial for safety on the water. Don't forget a bucket or cooler to store your catch. First, position your boat near the fish. Use your rod and reel to tire the fish out. Once the fish is tired, it's time to use the net. Submerge your net in the water. Gently guide the fish into the net. Lift the net quickly to secure your catch. Always prioritize safety when netting fish. Wear your life jacket. Be mindful of your surroundings. Never net fish alone. Practice makes perfect. Don't get discouraged if you don't succeed right away. With time and patience, you'll become a skilled netter.